Hello guys, today I will show you how to install and download Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is a popular web browser that provides user with a fast, secure and customizable browsing experience. If you are a Windows 10 user and want to install Firefox, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading and installing Firefox on Windows 10. Step 1. Open your Chrome browser to download Firefox. You will first need to open your current browser. This could be Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you are currently using. Step 2. Search for Firefox. Once you have your current browser open, you will need to search for Firefox. Simply type Firefox into the search bar and hit enter. This will take you to the official Firefox download page. Step 3. Download Firefox. On the Firefox download page, you will see a green button that says download Firefox. Click on this button to start the download process. Step 4. Choose your download option. After clicking the download button, you will be prompted to choose your download option. You can choose the download the 32-bit or 64-bit version of Firefox depending on your system. If you are not sure which version to choose, you can check your system information by right click on this PC. The downloading option, you will need to accept the term and condition. Before the downloading can start, read through the term and conditions carefully and then click the accept and install button to proceed. Step 6. Wait for the downloading to complete. After accepting the term and condition, Firefox will start downloading. The time it takes to download will depend on your internet speed, but it should only take a few minutes. Step 7. Install Firefox. Once the download is complete, you will see a pop-up window asking you to run the installer. Click the run button to start the installation process. Step 8. Customize your installation. During the installation process, you will have the option to customize your installation. You can choose which component to install, such as bookmarks, browsing history and save passwords. You can also choose whether or not to make Firefox your default browser. Step 9. Finish the installation. After customizing your installation, click the install button to start the installation process. This will only take a few moments, and when it's complete, you shall see a message saying Firefox has been successfully installed. Step 10. Launch Firefox. To launch Firefox, simply click the finish button on the installation window. Find the Firefox icon on your desktop or in the start menu. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed Firefox on your Windows 10 device. With the Firefox, you can enjoy a fast, secure and customizable browsing experience. Don't forget to keep your Firefox browser up to date to ensure that you have access to the latest features and security.